No conflicting priorities here. We're all in on you. Factory Motor Parts is the only partner built specifically for professional shops and service centers like yours.
We know we can count on quality parts quickly and to pretty much have everything we need in stock right when we need it.
We're not distracted by a retail agenda.
I like the idea that they care about the wholesaler. They are not also working with retail. We use professional parts, which they offer.
We have more inventory centered around professional technicians, not DIY.
We're going to use quality parts because I don't want to do the job twice.
This is a true business partnership with shop-focused programs, competitive prices, and incentives.
One of the biggest advantages of working with Factory Motor Parts is how flexible our incentive programs are. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, we get to sit down with our customers, look at the business, and build something that motivates and drives real results.
Family owned since 1945, so you are our #1 shareholder.
We buy parts from Factory Motor Parts because they are professional grade and they stand behind what they sell.
Factory Motor Parts. We supply your success.